Morning guys, Tony from ST Mulching. Down here in Hastings today. It's a really nice area. Nice little property here. Just cleaning up around. I flew the drone over earlier, so it should be, I'll put that together a bit later on. Just going to do it all around. Don't know if you can see the pink tape, but there's pink tape everywhere. And yeah, we're just going to get into it and make the property a little bit more usable for the owner. ASV and the Prinoth is warming up, and we're into it.